Allegro 6. The last part, which is the statistics. Let's see. Define each of the following. The mean. The mean is a summation of the values divided their number. In a context way, it is the summation of the values divided their number. Like if you have values like 3, 4, 5, their mean will be add these values and divide by zeros. How many these values? Is 3 values. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 3 divided 3 is 4. So the mean is 4. The median. The median is the middle value between the data when the data arranged from the least to greatest. Okay, for example, if we have values like 2, 9, 10, 8 and 6, what is the median? First, arrange these data from the least, which is 2, then 6, then 8, then 9, then 10, from the least to the greatest. The middle is 8, so the median equal 8. We have 2 values at the left, 2 values at the right. 8 is the middle. The mode is the most repeated value between data set. Like if you have values or data 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 1, 1. What is the mode here? The mode here is 1. 1 is repeated 3 times. It's the most repeated. If we have 2, 2, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7. What's the most repeated value? 2 or 7? It is 7. Okay? The last one, the range. The range is the difference between greatest minus least, or the smallest one. Look in this data. 2 and 6 and 8 and 9 and 10. What is the biggest? It's 10. So the range equal 10 minus. Where is the least? It's 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay? Let's continue. The next table shows the number of wins for 18 football teams. Construct the data plot. What is the smallest value here? 5, 7, 6, it's still 5, it's still 5. We have 4, the smallest. 3 is the smallest. What is the greatest? The greatest is 11. 11, we have 10, but 11 is still the greatest. We have 11. Put the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count how many values is repeated. Like 3, how many 3s? 1 3. Put a dot above it. 4, how many 4s? 1, 2. Put a big dot. 5, how many 5s? We have 1 and 2. two fives. 6, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 7. How many sevens? 1, 2, 3. How many 8s? 1 and 2. 9. It's 1 and 2. 2 nines. 10. It's only 1. 11. It's 2. If you ask you a question like, what is the mood for these data? The mood is what? The mood is the most repeated values. What is the most repeated values here? We have two values are the mood. 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 are the mood. Let's continue. The next table shows grades of 9 students in quiz 2. Ammar, Anas, Ahmad, Talal, Yusuf, Malik, Hala. When construct a bar graph and a histogram. First one, a bar graph and histogram. Histogram. The bar graph. The bar graph takes spaces between bars. Like, we put the names in the horizontal line and put the grades. We have the least value is 3, so we begin with 0. We begin with 3. And the biggest one is 10. So we have 10 and 11. It's okay. Ammar. Ammar is 7. Between 0 and the Ammar, draw a rectangle still. 7. Take a space. Anas. Anas is 10. Ahmad. Ahmad is 7. Take a space. Leave a space. Talal. Talal is 9. Leave a space between Talal and Ahmad. Talal is 9. This is Talal. Yusuf. Yusuf is 6. Leave a space between Yusuf and Talal. Yusuf is 6. Malik. Malik is 7. Leave a space. Malik is 7. Hala. Hala is 3. You will notice something. In bar graph, we leave spaces between the axes and between each bar. We don't stack the bars side by side. Okay? In histogram, what we do in histogram? In histogram, we do also bars, but stack each other. So we begin from the axes here. Ammar is 7. And Anas, from the end of Ammar, start Anas. Anas is 10. You see? No spaces. Ahmad. Ahmad. Ahmad is 7. Okay? Talal. Talal is what? Talal is 9. That's Talal. Yusuf. Yusuf is 6. No spaces. You see, no spaces. Malik. Malik is 7. Hala. Hala is 3. So the difference between the bar graph and histogram, bar graph has spaces, but the histogram has no spaces. Let's move another one. The next table shows, this is a continuation of for the previous table. After drawing the bar graph and the histogram, we want to get the mean, the mood, median, range, and IQR. We will see what is the IQR. The mean is what? The mean is the summation of the value divided their number. We have 7 students. 7 students, not 9. We have 7 students. Okay? So, the mean is 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 9 plus 9 divided 7. 9 plus 6 is 15. 7 plus 4 is 11. 5 plus 6 is 14. And 9. 11 plus 15 is 26. 26 plus 14 is 30. It's 40. 40 plus 9 is 49. 49 divided 7 will be 7. The mode. What is the most repeated value here? We have 9. 2 nines, 3 nines. The mode is 9. The median. To get the median, first arrange the values from the least to the greatest. The least is 5 4 I'm sorry 4 5 4 5 6 7 9 9 9. What is the middle value? The middle value is 7. The median is 7. The range is the difference between the maximum, which is 9, minus the minimum. 9 minus 4 equal 5. IQR. What is IQR? IQR is the interquartile range. It looks like the range, but it's some difference. First, we have the median. The median divides the data in 2 groups, left and right. What is the median of the left? Is 5. Name it Q1. What is the median of the right? It's 9. Name it Q3. You say, where is Q2? Q2 is the median. Okay? So the IQR is Q3 minus Q1, which is 9 minus 5 equal 4. Okay? Try to solve the next yourself. Find the mean, the mode, median, range, and the interquartile range. Ready? The mean, summation over their numbers, divided their numbers. 7 plus 10 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 divided how many values? They are 7. 7 plus 10, 17. 7 plus 9, 16. 7 plus 6, 13. 17 plus 16, 33. 33 plus 13, 46. 46 plus 3 is 49. Divided 7 will be 7. The mode. What is the most repeated value here? 7, 10, and I have 2 sevens. Okay, so we have till now 7. 7, 7, 7. The mode is 7. The median. First, arrange the values from the least to the greatest. What is the least? 4, 3, 6, 7, 7, 7, 9, 10. What is the middle value? The middle value is 7. We have 3 on the left, 3 on the right. So the median will be 7. Okay? The range. The range is the difference between the maximum minus the minimum. Where is the maximum? The maximum is 10. Minus. Where is the least? The least is 3. Equals 7. IQR. What's IQR? Interquartile range. Look at the group on the left. What's their median? Their median is 6. Q1. The group on the right. What is their median? Their median is 9. Q3. Interquartile range equals Q3 minus Q1 equal 9 minus 6 equals 3. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I hope you will do well in your exams. See you next time. Bye.